In this lecture, I want to show you how you can use Power Query to extract the text component and the numerical component. If you notice, our dataset has numbers and text values mixed together, and we want to separate both of them. We will first send the data to Power Query, and it is a very simple function. We will add a column, custom column, and let us say that the first thing we want is to select only numbers. Now this would be text dot remove. The first argument would be the data column, which is from where we want to remove everything except numbers. What do we want to remove? We want to remove the dash. We put a comma. Then we want to remove the letter A dot dot the letter Z. So this is the syntax that you have to follow. This is how Power Query understands that you want to remove all the letters between A and Z. Let's see if we have to make some change here. Okay, this also has to be inside curly braces like this. As you can see, we get the number. The rest is very simple. If you want to extract only the text value, you do the same thing once again. You click on add column, custom column, and this time you do only text value. This would be text dot remove. We want to select our data column, and from this, remember in curly braces we want to write a dash, and we want to remove the numbers this time. So we want to say 0 dot dot 9 like this. This means that both the dashes and numbers from 0 to 9 will be removed, and the result looks like this. There is also an alternative way of doing this. So you can create a custom column, and I'll call this only numbers, let's say 2, and we can write text dot keep. And let's see if I remember how to do this. We want to select data, and then we also want to, you know what, I think there's something wrong with the function name. Let me quickly see what option is there. Text dot okay, let's quickly see what options we get. So we have text dot, and we have a lot of functions in Power Query, as you can see. So I quickly want to go back and refer to the function that I want. So we are looking at text dot range remove select starts with, okay, I can't seem to find the one that I had on my mind. You know what, let's start with text dot okay, you know what, I can't remember this. That's okay, we can leave out this part. So I hope the example is clear. I showed you how you can remove um, only numbers or only text by keeping it inside an array. Remember, it works both with numbers, text, as well as any other character. For example, if you only wanted to remove the dashes, just one last example, we could have written except dash, and in this we want to write text dot remove. So we have text dot remove. We want to choose our column, which is data, and from this, in curly braces, we want to remove only the dash like this. This means that both the numbers and the text values would be there, but only that one specific character would be removed.